Upright vacuums remain a staple in households that want a one-piece cleaning solution for carpet, hard floors, and above-floor areas. They combine broad cleaning paths with simple storage and strong suction. For this comparison, I evaluated 5 models across 3 brands.
List number 1. Eureka NEU 10AE5 Powerful Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner Carpet. The Eureka NEU 10AE5 is a lightweight bagless upright designed for simple, quick cleaning on multiple surfaces. With a 10.5-inch cleaning path and a reported weight of 7.7 pounds, it emphasizes portability and rapid cleanups. Key features include a quick-release handle for above-floor cleaning and onboard tools, a crevice tool and dusting brush, that snap onto the handle for easy access. The inclusion of a washable foam filter aligns with eco-friendly maintenance, and its 720-watt motor targets everyday dirt and pet hair on carpets and hard floors. Prospective buyers will appreciate the straightforward single-speed operation and compact footprint for storage in smaller living spaces. In use, the NEU 10AE5 performs best in smaller to medium-sized spaces and on low-pile carpets or hard floors where quick, low-effort cleanups are common. Its bagless design reduces ongoing consumables costs, and the washable filter helps minimize replacement expenses. However, the 82 decibel noise level and 6 amp perceived 0.96 HP motor suggest it's not the most aggressive cleaner for deep pour carpet maintenance or large volume debris. The 1.5-foot hose is short, which can limit reach for above-floor cleaning unless the handle adapters are in frequent use.
List number 2. Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway is a versatile upright with a detachable canister, liftaway, for above-floor cleaning, and a HEPA filtration system designed to trap dust and allergens. It offers anti-allergen complete seal technology, swivel steering, and an 11-inch cleaning path aimed at delivering solid performance on carpets, bare floors, and stairs. The 12.5-pound weight is manageable, and the 5-year limited warranty adds long-term value. Included tools like the wide upholstery tool and a 12-inch crevice tool enhance versatility for pet households and upholstered surfaces. Performance-wise, the NV352 emphasizes maneuverability and reach. The liftaway feature is especially useful for cleaning stairs and furniture without dragging the whole unit. The 1200-watt motor, approximately 1.61 HP, delivers strong suction for typical household debris, and the built-in HEPA filtration with a washable filter helps reduce allergen exposure. However, the unit's abundance of features comes with a higher price point and a bulkier form factor for users prioritizing compact storage. The power and filtration are well suited for households with pets or allergy concerns, though maintenance involves cleaning or replacing filters over time.
List number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff with powerful suction. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff combines liftoff canister versatility, a HEPA-sealed allergen system, and a tangle-free brush roll to address pet hair and allergens. The detachable pod design facilitates targeted cleaning in tight spots, while the 1-liter dirt tank supports extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. The included Turbo Eraser Pet Tool and a 2-in-1 dusting brush/crevice tool expand its reach for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and cars. The overall build suggests strong suction and specialized pet hair capabilities at a mid to upper price point. In practice, the liftoff canister enables flexible cleaning without sacrificing suction, making it a strong choice for homes with shedding pets. The tangle-free brush roll minimizes hair wrap, reducing maintenance downtime. The 1-liter tank is respectable for an upright, but some users may want a larger capacity for large cleanup jobs. On carpet, the cleaner handles embedded hair well, while the sealed HEPA system helps contain allergens. The overall experience is that of a pet-focused, versatile cleaner that trades some bulk for extended reach and specialized features. List number 4. Bissell CleanView Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner with Active Wand. The Bissell CleanView 3536 emphasizes value and convenience with an active extension wand, one-pass technology, and scatter-free technology. It features an XL dirt container, 2 liters, for less frequent emptying, and a 10-foot active wand to reach high shelves and under furniture. The vacuum is designed for pet owners and everyday messes, pairing a modest 15.47-pound footprint with standard corded operation. The emphasis here is on easier reach and a no-fuss cleaning routine with decent suction for typical household debris. Performance-wise, the CleanView 3536 is a practical everyday cleaner. One-pass technology aims to maximize cleaning efficiency on carpets, while scatter-free technology reduces scatter on hard floors, which can help when cleaning fine dust or cereal. The 2-liter dirt canister is a notable advantage for longer sessions without frequent dumps. However, compared to higher-end models with HEPA filtration or dedicated pet tools, its filtration and suction may lag on high-pile carpets or heavy pet hair. It excels as a solid mid-range option for households seeking a reliable, easy-to-maintain vacuum.
List number 5. Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum with Triple Action Brush Roll. The Bissell CleanView Swivel is a 2024 model that prioritizes maneuverability with swivel steering and a triple-action brush roll. The extension wand and easy empty dirt tank support versatile cleaning around furniture and in tight spots. The multi-cyclonic suction system and a 1-liter capacity balance performance with manageable weight. The color and design emphasize a modern, user-friendly approach for homes with varied flooring. This model is positioned as a strong value choice for users seeking refreshed features without premium pricing. In practical terms, the swivel model handles everyday debris well and benefits from scatter-free technology on hard floors. The triple-action brush roll helps lift embedded dirt on carpet, while the extension wand allows above-floor cleaning tasks. Some users might desire HEPA filtration for allergy concerns, and the vacuum's 1-liter tank aligns with quicker cleanups rather than long, unattended sessions. Given its price point and feature set, it's an appealing option for households wanting a versatile, well-rounded